Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the graphics card of your Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. So of course we don't have the separate graphics card, the dedicated graphics card on this laptop, but we have an integrated one, and if you want to check which model it is exactly, you have to right click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, and then go to Performance on the sidebar, and here you'll be able to find your GPU and also the NPU, which is like an addition to your GPU with AI something models. In GPU we have Qualcomm Adreno X2-45 GPU. So that's the graphics card of your laptop, and at the bottom you can also check the specifications of it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.